Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to report Facebook account permanently delete. So let's get started. So basically guys, firstly open the Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. After that, simply search for the account you want to report. Here I am searching the random account just for the demo. So go to the profile of the account you want to report. So after you are on their profile, you can see the three dot option available. Tap on it and there you can see the report account or report profile option available, and tap on it and tap on the pretending to be someone option available on the top. Then it will ask for the who and tap on the me. After you tap on the me option available there, now all you have to do is submit the report. So after you submit it, Facebook will review the reported account and take appropriate action based on its community standards and terms of services. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.